So hey guys, did you guys ever want to scrape a company domain or the LinkedIn profile and the reviews that the company get? So every company says that they are the top of their soul, and but we want the customer reviews of those companies. So let's get started. So this workflow will scrape all this data about the company or the customer emotional and all the reviews and the LinkedIn profile to get the required output that we need. So let me just show you the output. I have already pinned all the data. So here I am taking a Google Sheets with company name. Let's take Zomato and their website and their, so I will tell what this Trustpilot tab is and their LinkedIn profile. So let's just go to this. So what this Trustpilot is, this is the reviews of the customers that the Zomato oversees. Okay, this is all no bias, and I have placed in order all the reviews. So Zomato will hide these reviews. So we are getting the perfect reviews from here. Okay, so in this sheet I have company lists and scraped data. Okay, so what we are scraping is always. So let's see company name, their company website, company reviews. Okay, overall company feedback based on 876 Trustpilot reviews. So all the key improvements, product sentiment analysis, and all that. So what this is company business profile. What is the profile of the Zomato? What they do and what they provide for their customers and company LinkedIn extract. This is the brief description of the Zomato LinkedIn profile. Okay, and company follows on LinkedIn and company their about us and company industry, what the industry, food delivery industry, and the company size and company headquarters and the company is founded. So if you want to scrape all this data, just follow my anytime workflow. So let's get started. So here I have taken execute workflow and clicking. So here I'm getting the data, all this company list data that here in Google Sheets. Okay, after getting the data, I'm extracting the company website through Firecrawl. Okay, sorry, I'm extracting this Trustpilot with Firecrawl. Okay, so I have given my Firecrawl API here in header and I have given URL just this post method and I have got this information all from their documents. So okay, the header is content type application JSON and the body is this URL. This URL all same, but this URL will change with different companies. Okay, so after we execute this, we will get this output. So all the markdown data that the Firecrawl script, all these data that the Firecrawl script. Okay, so after that we are giving this to edit fields. So we will need markdown. Okay, so after getting the markdown data, just come to the code node. I have got all this code from Cloud. I don't know how to code this and okay. So what this code does is takes all this data and it separates through columns what the company, all the total reviews and trust score and all the reviews that they have here. Okay. So after the code node, just take a basic LLM chain. So don't worry. This is unpin node. So I have pinned the data. So that's why this is showing red. So if you unpin the data and execute this again, this will work just fine. So from this code node, we are getting all the company total reviews, trust score, and all the reviews. So here I am giving this user prompt as company name, all the reviews, and what the output that we need. Overall company feedback summarize the general sentiment about the company based on customer experiences. Highlight both positive and negative aspects, product sentiment analysis, identify key products or services. So all this. So when we are given this, we will get the text here, all the Zomato customer reviews. So let me just show you this Zomato customer reviews. Okay, so this is we getting from all this data. So after we got this, so I have connected Google Gemini to both. Okay, both LLM chain and text extractor. So after extracted all this, so we are again taking another HTTP request to scrape the Zomato website now. Okay, previously we scraped this Trustpilot and we will scrape the Zomato website now. So here using Jina AI, so I will, so you can use Firecrawl as well. So I'm just showing the different APIs that you can use. So here in Jina API, again this red mark is just because I am pinned the data. So okay, just this Jina URL will be same, but this will change because the companies will change. Okay, authentication. So headers just give your Jina AI API key here and just name it authorize. So after you execute this, we will get the all the data that it's scraped from Zomato website. So after that, just come to test website analysis. This is a text extractor. I have renamed it as website analysis. So what this does is task overview. You are provided with the text content from a company's website. The task is to analyze content and generate a comprehensive company profile in JSON format. So here is your website content. All this data here. And what is the objective? Create a structured JSON object that captures key information about the company, including company basics, all the data about the company. Here is the website content. Okay, this is so after that, this is all the data that we are given. This data. So after that, all these important notes and validation checklists. So we will get a perfect JSON format output. So we can input schema. So this is the schema that we are importing here. Okay, and system prompt. We are an expert extraction algorithm only extract relevant information. So I have gotten this all these prompts in AI. I didn't do it from scratch. Okay, so after we have got that, I'm looping our items. So here we only have one for now. So for suppose if you want to 5 or 10, you need a loop over item. So the ABI keys do not hit the limit. So I'm taking one here. So after come here, so what this does is, let's see. What this does is, I'm using Nebula.com to scrape the LinkedIn profile of the company that they have given. Let's see, Nebula.com. Just go to your Nebula. You will get 10 tokens for free when you first log in. Just method is get. This is the LinkedIn profile that we have given. See, Zomato LinkedIn profile. So all the head rows, I have Nebula key in my head row. So okay, after executing this, we will get all the LinkedIn data that the Zomato LinkedIn have, all the LinkedIn internal ID, description, website, all, and locations, everything. So after that, we will wait 5 seconds. So we don't hit the API limits or anything like that. So after we have got to, now we need to update all this data in here. Okay, scrape data. So in here, I have all the company name, website. So I can't show you because if I execute this, all this will run again. So if you want this JSON format, just comment down below and I will share it with you guys. So I have set all the data in free from previous nodes, everything. So we will get the outputs as required. So just scrape this all the data that you want from company websites and LinkedIn profiles. So thank you guys for watching and I will see you next time.